to be lies, and all the joy within you.
The intensity of ground combat in Vietnam and the use of long-range patrols searching out in the jungle for enemy forces necessitated a need for a new type of ration, something lightweight that would allow soldiers to carry more ammunition and water on these deep patrols in the jungle. The old sea rations that had been used since World War II were heavy and made a lot of noise clanking around in a pack. It was essential to be quiet and stealthy and to reduce fatigue by not having extra weight. Freeze-dried technology, first used by